Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study bones for anatomy and physiology. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the major bones of the human body, like the femur and humerus. Focus on identifying key landmarks, such as the greater trochanter or the olecranon process. Understanding these specific features is crucial for grasping their roles in movement and support. Don't just memorize names. Visualize their placement and connections within the skeletal system. This foundational knowledge will build a strong base for your studies. To make your study sessions more effective, try actively labeling diagrams without looking at the answers first. This helps solidify your recall. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. Quizzing each other on bone names and features, like the 206 bones in the adult human body, can highlight areas needing more attention. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing specific terms and their definitions, allowing for quick, repetitive review. There are many resources available to enhance your bone studies. Online 3D bone models offer an interactive way to explore structures from all angles, providing a dynamic learning experience. Your anatomy textbook is a goldmine of detailed descriptions and high-quality images, so use it as a primary reference. If possible, visiting an anatomy lab to handle actual skeletal specimens, like a human skull or a vertebral column, provides invaluable tactile learning that diagrams cannot fully replicate. Consistent review is key to retaining the vast amount of information involved in bone anatomy. Don't wait until the last minute. Regular, shorter study sessions are more effective than cramming. Always try to connect the anatomical structures you're learning to their physiological functions. Understanding why a bone has a certain shape or marking makes it easier to remember. And hey, while you're studying hard, make sure your environment is fresh. Check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep things smelling good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.